Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be slightly different as it's more of an announcement type of video for a workshop that I'm hosting in London. If you don't know who I am, I'm Will Paterson. I make these videos all about design and creativity. I'm also a hand letterer and I specialize in logo type design. I've worked with many different companies, large and small, on logo type designs. I've featured my work in Adobe, I've been live with Adobe, and I've done lots of different things. I even traveled to America where I did basically this weird tour with my workshop and going to different conferences. Well, the workshops that I've done in America, across the States, and in Barcelona, which is in Europe, is actually coming to the UK now, which is weird because I live here. On Friday the 21st of September, which isn't too far away, we are going to be doing a workshop in London. This logo design workshop is about me teaching you guys of any experience of any level of design how to design a logo. And the great thing about this workshop is that it's had so many great reviews from America and in Barcelona from when I've done it, is that a lot of designers actually come as well. People who are logo designers come to the workshop too, just to refresh on some of their skills, or maybe to look at someone else's process and to see what other people are doing differently. Well, if you're a beginner or even a professional at design, then I would urge you guys to come to this workshop in London. Here's one of the 5 things that you will definitely get from being in the workshop. Number 1, you will understand typography if you don't already, and how it affects different styles of logo type design. And I teach more about this in my workshop than I do on my actual videos. 2, you will be able to draw a basic logo type and have the ability to sketch that properly and to make it into a fully fledged logo. 3, you'll learn how to refine that logo type. So it seems boring and seems weird, but logo type refinement in the sketching stage is super important for anyone who's wanting to get those perfect, nice curves on Illustrator. And speaking of curves, number 4, you will be able to learn how to properly vectorize your logo type. And at the same time as you doing it, I'm going to be showing you and giving you little tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, I'll be able to answer them straight away. And if you're struggling with something, I'll be able to help you straight away. And number 5, which is one of the biggest ones, is I'm going to be teaching you guys how I present my logo type designs or my logos to a potential client and other people that I'm working with. This one was actually addressed to me by a few people who wanted them in the workshops in America and in Barcelona. So I'm actually doing that. I'm going to be showing you how I present a logo and the importance of creating a really good presentation for your client to make sure they give you the big thumbs up for your work. You'll also get to spend the afternoon with me, having a fun jokes with you and everything else, so it's going to be an amazing workshop. The cool thing about this is that I am controlling how much it's going to be and everything like that. I'm controlling the venue. Naomi has organized it all and it's all looking really good. So that means that I'm giving you guys a ridiculously good discount down below in the description to where my new website that I'm hosting all of my store products on there, from all my design resources to my lettering brushes and my workshop tickets, are going to be on that website. So click that link down below if you like hand lettering brushes for the iPad Pro, hand lettering composition grids for anyone who struggles with composition, and for any courses that happen as well. Oh, and also if you come to this workshop, the one in London, you'll get one of the first access to my new online course that's coming very soon. And the reason why I am getting this out so late is because there is literally only 20 spaces of this workshop, 20 to 25 spaces. I can't remember exactly how many, but tickets will be going very fast. So if you would like your ticket for the workshop and you live in London, get that ticket and you will be emailed by Naomi, who will tell you exactly where the venue is and everything else. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, this little announcement, subscribe if you want to see more of my design stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.